Bandar, aka Monkey in a Cage, had its world premiere at the Toronto International Film Festival last September. The film got a fabulous response, and we've been waiting with bated breath for its global release. Well, it took some time, but Bandar finally released in theaters a few weeks ago.
No, लड़की बोलती है no. No means no.
चलो बात समझ.
बच्चन साहब बोला है no means no. बोला कि नहीं? चल तो फिर मैं अपनी बेचता हूँ.
बात.
तुम क्या बेचता है?
When I choose a subject as an actor, as a character, I just think of it as to how challenging it would be for me to portray a character like this. Yes, it speaks a lot, this film does, and it will definitely create some kind of conversation or some kind of thought process of people to think and realize what's happening in this world.
किससे डर लगता है?
अपने आप से.
क्यों?
कभी मुझे लगता है कि मैं बहुत अच्छा इंसान हूँ. कभी लगता है कि मैं बहुत बुरा और घटिया किस्म का आदमी हूँ.
और किससे डर लगता है?
कि लोग मुझे भूल जाएंगे.
मैं नहीं भूलूंगी.
I think I'm a huge fan of Bobby sir, Bobby Deol sir. His story is amazing as a person. He's incredible. The journey is something which gives hope to everybody who had it and lost it. And it's a comeback story. It's a story of every hero.
तुम डेटिंग ऐप पर क्यों? तुम्हें तो कोई भी मिल सकती है.
In India, the Me Too movement kind of started out and then it fizzled away in a way because cancel culture, I think often sometimes you can't, there has to be a solution, there has to be a nuanced conversation about what happens next. So many people who've been called out in the past are continuing to work, and what are the systems set into place to make sure that either we're talking about reform, either we're talking about accountability, we're talking about all of that. So I don't feel like there is a system that's set into place for it to be a realistic kind of movement that moves forward, and I think there's a lot of work to do.
कभी लगता है कि मैं बहुत बुरा और घटिया किस्म का आदमी हूँ.
Oh, you were expecting someone younger?
Right swipe करते वक्त उम्र नहीं पड़ी.
I just saw your photo and I swiped.
I think the hardest part was that sometimes I would have to wonder and double check in with myself about how the audience is going to portray this, especially with the male and female dynamic that already exists, especially, for example, in India. So sometimes I would approach it with a bit of caution, but at the same time I would have my directors, Anurag Kashyap, and most importantly, Sakshi Mehta, who would come in with the female empowerment and would help me push through those barriers.
Come on, baby. दिल किसको देगी?
सुंदर हो तुम.
हाँ, स्कूल में सब कहते थे मैं हीरो बनूंगा.
मैं बनाऊंगी तुम्हें हीरो. हर अखबार के फर्स्ट पेज पे तुम्हारी फोटो होगी.
कैसे?
Me as an actor is just me playing characters which I can portray to the right as much as I can, to its limit of how I can give the viewers a feel of the character being played is what he's going through, and it was, all that became easy for me thanks to Anurag.
समीर मेहरा, चल थाने चल, बुलाया तेरे को.
मुझे बताइए मैंने किया क्या है?
376 लगा है तेरे को. रेप, ब्लैकमेल, एक्सटॉर्शन.
वो लड़की झूठी है, मुझ पे झूठा इल्जाम लगा रही है.
It's not about Me Too or Men Too, it's about having conversation. I hope the film becomes a conversation starter. It creates or provokes conversation.
20-25 साल की जवान लड़कियों को लेकर घूमता है.
मेरे पैसे उसके पास.
लड़की का नंगा फोटो मंगाता है, फिर उसको ब्लैकमेल करता है.
Stay away from me! Shh. She's a stalker, sir. मुझे बार-बार मैसेज करती रहती थी वो.
Usually, whenever I get into a character, I love to do my homework. I'm a first bencher when it comes to preparing for a character. But for this one, I had to keep that aside because he told me not to think about anything, not to come prepared on set, and that process was so liberating. You're on your toes all the time. You have to be very active. You have to be very proactive. You're reacting to what your co-actor is doing. It all felt so real.
मेरा गला दबा है.
You're not an idiot.
Yes.
अंदर बोलना 302 में आया है मर्डर में. वरना नोच लेंगे तुझे।
Throughout the film, of course, she wants to help her brother out, wants to get him out of all these things that he's going through. But she knows there are like some shortcomings that she knows that her brother has. So yeah, that conflict that she's dealing with.
ऐसा पकड़ के कच्चा गू
सब जानना चाहते हैं कि आपने रेप किया या नहीं किया।
हमने कुछ किया है या नहीं किया।
23 days I spent on the set were like being on a workshop, learning more about what I'm capable of as an actor, and to play a character which is so real and so normal is not that easy because we get so conditioned playing larger than life characters. So it was great fun and experience that I'll always cherish.
किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता। मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। क्यों? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। नो वे। मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। मैंने किसी का रेप नहीं किया। मैं इनोसेंट हूँ। मुझे अब तक इतना ही समझ में आया है कि हम खुद ही अपनी सर्कस के बंदर हैं।